Side of Salmon. One of the most important things with air fry cookery is that you blot the food with kitchen roll before you start. Obviously this came from the supermarket. It's a 500 piece of salmon, nice for entertaining. But if you want to do 2 salmon steaks, by all means do 2 salmon steaks. This is just quite a nice recipe for entertaining. So when you get this home, you take it out of its packaging and you blot it dry with kitchen paper just before you're going to cook. A piece of salmon, 1 satsuma juiced, which I'm just going to do, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, it's 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I thought it's not 2 tablespoons, so a tiny bit of olive oil, to be honest. Some chopped parsley. I'm going to use dried because it's quick and easy and very good. Probably some salt and pepper. I'm going to put a bit of pepper in because you could use some chilli, but I'm not a very great fan of chilli myself, so I'm afraid I'm going to put just ordinary pepper. It's about 2 tablespoons of light olive oil. Teaspoon. Sorry, teaspoon. And some black pepper.
Soy sauce?
Soy sauce, that was.
About a tablespoon.
Yeah, about a tablespoon. And just mix that in a bowl. It couldn't be easier. And I'm just going to, to make it look pretty, I'm going to slice, I have washed this, I promise. I'm just going to slice the satsuma. And it's quite a nice way to present it when it's cooked. I know I've got this plate in there. I'm going to use the liner because it will just help to keep it a little bit clean as it's fish, and I want to then I'll use the other drawer because I want to cook muffins and scones, but I'm going to use my hands if you don't mind you. In a real world, I would leave this to marinate for about quarter of an hour. My spray bottle, which I haven't told you about, this is my best friend. This is my olive oil and sunflower oil spray bottle, and 3/4 flora and 1/4 olive oil, just the cheapest olive oil you can get, and just a little bit sprayed on, and we'll get this in 180 for 14 minutes. Air fry. Should I say 140? 180.
14 minutes.
Thanks.
14 minutes.
Yeah. And I think, did I tell you about the light in this one? It's quite nice because you've got a viewing panel. Can you see?
Yes.
Let's move that.
That's good. Well, that's really useful.
Yeah, it is, because particularly if you're doing, you'll see in a minute, I'm going to do muffins. So there's the salmon.
Oh,
Nice. Put that on there, and you have that one. Okay. So we're going to do a double sister act. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo! So I think you'll agree with me that for Boxing Day, that is absolutely delicious and cooked in your air fryer.